Moving on to JEE mains, examination have begun across the country. Students were seen carrying their own sanitizers and temperature checks were done outside examination halls. The National Testing Agency has made elaborate arrangements to maintain social distancing. Increased number of examination centers, alternate seating plans, fewer candidates per room and staggered entry and exit are among the steps that have been taken for safe conduct of examinations. Mumbai has allowed students and parents to use the local train services for commute. In Rajasthan, there will be no lockdown restrictions for candidates of JEE and NEET examinations. In fact, the Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal appealed to the chief ministers of various states to support the students appearing for the examination. As many as 8.58 lakh candidates have registered for JEE main, which will be held from today until September 6th. Another 15.97 lakh have registered for NEET examination, which is scheduled on the 13th of September.
सैनिटाइजर साथ में लेके जा रहे हैं, मास्क प्रॉपर है और अपना पूरा फुल बॉडी चेकअप कराया है ताकि हम देख सकें और देख रहे हैं तो डिस्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा है तो इस वजह से कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा मैटर नहीं करता अगर आप तैयारी कर रहे हो तो अच्छा है।
बच्चा भी सफ़र कर रहा था और पेरेंट्स भी सफ़र कर रहे थे और कई बार तो पेरेंट्स ही हम भी कंफ्यूजन में थे होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए, पर जब बच्चे का कैरियर है तो उनका एग्ज़ाम तो होना चाहिए, पर जो डिले हुआ है तो ये एग्ज़ाम शायद पहले हो जाता है। इसी तरह से अगर सैनिटाइज करके या कुछ ऐसी पॉलिसी अपनाते तो बच्चों को परेशानी नहीं होती। जो चीज़ अब हो रही है पहले भी हो सकती थी तो बच्चा इतना सफ़र नहीं करता।
Let's quickly cut across to our reporters joining us live from on ground. Shalini Robo reporting right from Eon Digital Zone, Kovilambakam, and Dev Ankur reporting from Jaipur. Let's quickly cut across to Dev. Dev, Jaipur, students across the country have been hesitant, have been protesting against these entrance examinations to be scheduled amid the pandemic, but now it's been scheduled. Students are appearing for it. What's the real sentiment on ground? Take us through.
Well, clearly in Rajasthan, there have been several, protests against the holding of any NEET and JEE examinations. The students have been mentioning that it is quite difficult for them to, adhere to the protocol, to wear masks, to wear hand gloves, to use sanitizers, and attempt the questions as well. So even the Congress, which is in government in Rajasthan, had appealed to the central government, maintaining that if the exams can be postponed or deferred, then that should be done, given the fact that there are lakhs of students who are directly connected with these examinations, who have been aspiring for several months for these examinations, but the delay or the deferment did not happen, and that is why students have turned up at various outside various centers where the examinations are supposed to happen, and several students have maintained that they were not left with any option after the deferment or the postponement of the examinations did not happen, and they will be giving the examinations. What the Rajasthan government, to ease out the pressure on the students, has done is that it has relaxed the lockdown guidelines for the students, and not just for the students, for their parents as well. So there will be no lockdown applicable on these students on the dates of the examinations, and not just for the parents, for the students, but for their parents as well. The lockdown guidelines will not be applicable.
Right.
Nabila?
Right. Let's quickly cut across to Shalini Lobo. Shalini, we know Tamil Nadu stands for a while. They've been rejecting JEE NEET itself. They don't want the examination, but now the students there are forced to give it. Many of them were hesitant. Take us through what you see there on ground.
Indeed, Nabila, well, we're outside the Kovilambakam Center. You can see there are columns over here for social distancing for children. There's a sanitizer dispenser. There are people in PPE kits. They're monitoring children. Temperature is being checked as well. Now, in Tamil Nadu, the government has requested the center not to hold these exams, keeping in light the pandemic and the stress that the parents and the children are going through. The opposition also has requested the government and the center for the same not to hold the exams, the entire united opposition against NEET and the exams during this time of the pandemic. On the ground, however, there is a fear, yes, to the children, but parents believe that this is a good thing because they can just get it over with. This is Biswal, he's a parent, his daughter Sonali is writing the exam. Sir, tell us, how do you see this entire fiasco where your children are coming, writing an exam? Because there have been protests across saying that we don't want the NEET or the JEE right now.
Yeah, there may be protests, but then as a parent, this has been extending so many times. We have to see the next year academic this thing for your daughter, and especially for JEE, because there are so many entrance exams happening, and she has appeared so many of them. And JEE is the main thing. Like for all you know, Comet K and other things who have appeared and we have got through also. But then we depend on the JEE. I mean, JEE is the first thing. I mean, we cannot decide whether we can take up other things or not depending on JEE.
Several students said they were finding it difficult to write in gloves. That was, a request that people said, that working our sums out with gloves is going to be difficult for us. Has your daughter been practicing or anything of that sort?
Gloves and all, if you use those white latex gloves and all that, and they're not very strict also. For example, practically today I've forgotten to send gloves. Okay, I don't know if they will allow. I mean, they are not very, very strict and all that. Gloves is for your protection. And with the rubber gloves on, and it's only a pencil where you're going to circle, I don't think that's a lot.
Well, you can see this is, I spoke to a couple of parents and all of them share the same sentiment, that they don't want their children losing out on a year with these exams being postponed. Inside as well, the disinfection staff is inside. The entire systems that they use, the workrooms, workstations will be thoroughly disinfected. Toilets, doorways, corridors will be disinfected. And the same, they're going to keep changing the systems, ensuring that people don't use the same system one after the other. So they're taking in, precautions inside the building as well. Several anxious parents waiting here on the side, waiting for their children to appear for their exam, finish their exam and come off so they can take them back home. Buses have resumed services in Chennai, so commuting is slightly better off today. However, the suburban trains and the metros are still not started working yet again. So that again was a little bit of problem for people to reach the centre.
Shalini, thank you very much for giving us a feel of what it is right outside one of those centres there. Brave students, considering 3.6 million and above cases now have been reported across the country. Here, JEE and NEET examinations go as per schedule. Thank you very much, Shalini, as well as Ankur, for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.